This is an example of workflow for scanning archives. We will scan the folder with ElarScan KS600 and we are defining the project first, putting the name of the project and the path to save the images. The target path can be the hot folder for next automatic post-processing. We are defining the scan parameters and have a number of important instruments. We can check the colors in each point. We can find the right scaling of live preview. Yes. And we have a special instrument. We can put the overlay image, which will be always in the background. And this is for convenience of operator for some cases when the mask can be applied or something like this. But now we do not use this. Okay. And we have guidelines also for convenience of scanning. Alright. Under exposure, overexposure, we can see that by special instrument, and if the parameters are wrong, the overexposed area will be red. Returning to scan parameters, we are defining the resolution for 100 dpi, and we can use manual cropping, and it's very convenient to handle, but we will use auto cropping. We will scan with splitting two pages with auto cropping, so it will be double page. Okay, but the left page is empty, so we will scan, we will define only saving the right page. Alright, we are ready to scan. Let's check the performance of continuous scanning. We can scan by predefined time interval, but with KS model it's more convenient to use the automatic scan start after putting the glass down, and glass will be released after scan is done. And this is the continuous performance of scanning of archive folder. We have all the scan results in the gallery. We have the live preview, and it takes just several seconds per scan. Okay, but we have different formats in this archive folder, and we can use the same automatic cropping for different format. For example, like this, the format will be defined automatically. Alright, so we have the right page saved. Also, we can try to scan smaller originals with the multi-frame mode. We have the small inserts in our folder. What we are doing, we are just defining the areas to scan, and all of them will be scanned by separate image. Pressing scan one time, and we have all the images scanned in the gallery as separate images. Oh, the quality is very good. If we need to scan some small originals with maximum resolution, we just put it in the center and using macro mode, pressing one button, and we have a maximum resolution now, and we are just scanning this. Alright, so we have completed the, okay, this is perfect resolution, fantastic, good, and we have the batch finished, and now we are exporting the full batch in predefined format. We can save several types, several formats of each scan in one project. We are defining the spec for previews and the diff as output file, selecting the batch and saving this to predefined folder, and depending on the size of the batch and size of images, it takes some time. Okay, it's scanned, it's finished, and it can go to automatic or manual post-processing from the separate workstation. This is example of scanning of archive originals with ElarScan A2-KS 600 scanner.